Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the history of asparagus and benefits of it. So don't skip this video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to click the bell button. Let's get into the video. History of asparagus. The name for asparagus, a member of the lily family, comes from the Greek word meaning shoot or sprout, now widely cultivated throughout the world. This regal vegetable is believed to have originated 2000 years ago in the eastern Mediterranean region, where it was prized for its unique texture and alleged medicinal and aphrodisiacal qualities. Asparagus spears grow from a crown planted in sandy soils and, under ideal conditions, can grow 10 inches in a 24-hour period. The most common types are green, but you might see two others in supermarkets and restaurants: white, which is more delicate and difficult to harvest, and purple, which is smaller and fruitier. Benefits of asparagus: helps fight against diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a major disease affecting the world population today. According to a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, asparagus, a popular vegetable, can keep diabetes at bay by helping blood sugar levels stay under control while boosting output of insulin, the hormone that helps the body absorb glucose. Asparagus has proved to be an effective weapon to help fight against diabetes. The intake of asparagus leads to high urine and salt excretion from the body, which help in regulating the blood sugar level, says Dr. Lachlan Arora, physiotherapist and nutritionist at Veda Physiotherapy and Nutrition Clinic. Another article published in the British Medical Journal in 2006 showed asparagus triggered an 81% increase in glucose uptake by the body's muscles and tissues. Great source of antioxidant. Contains high level of antioxidants which help in fighting against free radicals in the body, which have been found to be the risk factors for diseases like cancer, heart trouble, etc. According to Ms. Nidhi Sawhney, dietitian at NutriAdvice, asparagus is a very good source of fiber, folate, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K and minerals that enhance the ability of insulin to transport glucose from the bloodstream into the cells. Increases immunity. Asparagus in the diet helps in fighting bacterial infections, urine infection and cold, which makes the immune system strong. Asparagus is a great source of B-complex vitamins, which are essential for energy production and to maintain the nervous system. Could help fight risk of cancer. Asparagus contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6 and other powerful antioxidants which are very beneficial to maintain healthy cells and fight risks of cancer, says Dr. Arora. Asparagus also regulates homocysteine levels in our blood. Slows the aging process. Asparagus is a vegetable known for its antioxidant content, which has the ability to slow down the aging process. Acts as a natural diuretic. Asparagine, an amino acid, acts as natural diuretics. Asparagine is present in asparagus in high levels, which helps the body in releasing the extra salt from the body through urination, adds Ms. Nidhi. Asparagus provides a useful amount of vitamin K, essential for strong bones and to maintain blood pressure. How to add asparagus to your diet. The best way to consume asparagus is to roast, grill or stir fry it. Quick cooking works well to preserve the nutritional content and the antioxidants present in it. You can also add it to your soups and curries. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, share and subscribe.